You need to step out of the vehicle or I'm going to take you out by busting this window. Driver with a suspended license.
You gonna hit me?
Are you gonna hit me?
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
No.
Are you going to step out?
Yeah, but
Stop
you can
resisting.
relax.
Get out.
I can get out on my
Stop
own.
resisting.
I can get out.
Step out now. Put your hands behind your back.
A routine traffic enforcement stop quickly turns into an entitled standoff on the side of the road. What should have been a simple citation for running a stop sign rapidly escalates as a driver refuses basic orders, locks herself inside a rental car, and forces officers into a physical extraction, all while holding a phone and a cup of coffee. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because by the end, you'll also learn the exact legal steps and crucial mistakes to avoid if you ever find yourself in a high-tension traffic interaction like this.
How's it going? I'm Officer Strong there with Orlando Police Department. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Is it safe to get it out?
Yep. And the registration and proof of insurance?
It's a rental.
It's a rental? Okay. Do you mind hanging up while we're...
While conducting stop sign enforcement in a residential neighborhood, an Orlando police officer spots a red rental SUV run right through an intersection. Upon making contact, the driver refuses to hang up her phone, dismisses the officer's safety concerns, and insists she would never run a stop sign.
Okay, I'm just letting you know.
Vibes aren't well, and I'm pretty sure it's not.
You're in a residential. It is when you're not paying attention. You're running a stop sign. You got a phone in one hand and a coffee in the other, and you're in a residential neighborhood. So okay, I guess we just don't care about safety. Stay there, please. I think I'm in a 1015 er. What? You Willis? Phone in one hand, coffee in the other. Goes right through the stop sign. Pull her over. Still talking on the phone.
When the officer runs her information, a quick records check reveals that her driver's license is currently suspended. Combined with driving a rental vehicle, holding coffee in one hand, and talking on the phone in the other, officers prepare to issue multiple citations and place her under arrest.
Hello. He's gonna have you step out so you can sign for these.
I'm not getting out.
You're not getting out?
No, he can bring it right here. Officer Sayer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is, but this officer's asking you to step out.
No, I know better than to get out of my car.
And according to Florida State statute, if we ask you to get out of the vehicle, unfortunately, you have to get out.
I can sign right here. I'm not going to get out.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not going to get out. So
Well,
we can move to-
here's the deal. You're being placed under arrest, and you need to step outside of the vehicle. You need to step out of the vehicle or I'm going to take you out by busting this window.
Backup arrives and officers request that the driver step out of the vehicle to sign her paperwork. She flatly refuses, claiming she knows her rights, while officers cite Florida state statutes explaining that drivers are legally obligated to exit the vehicle when commanded during a lawful stop.
You can step out or we're going to take you out. You are under arrest for driving with a suspended license. Step out of the vehicle. This is not going to end well for you. You need to step out of the vehicle.
Door unlocked?
No. You need to step out of the vehicle or I'm going to bust this window.
Just open the door, man. Just open the door, man.
Do you have a punch? Open the vehicle now. You have no more chances. Open the vehicle and step out.
As non-compliance continues, officers explicitly inform her that she is under arrest for driving with a suspended license. After she locks the vehicle doors and rolls up her windows, officers issue a final warning: step out immediately or face having the vehicle window smashed to force an extraction.
I'm sorry.
Step out. Come on.
I can't have no interaction with him. I can have
Step
one
out
with
of the
you.
vehicle.
I can
You're
have one
under
with you, but I
arrest.
can't have one with you.
You're now under arrest. Step out of the vehicle.
Or you.
You have to get out of the car, man.
Yeah, but not like this.
Okay, just
Get
get
out
But
of
not
the
like
vehicle
this.
now.
But not like this.
Man, get out of the car.
No.
You have to.
Why?
You're under arrest.
For?
Drive with a suspended license.
You gonna hit me?
Are you gonna hit me?
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Come on.
No.
We're not doing that. Step
I'm
out
trying to
of
do
the
this.
vehicle
I'm trying
now.
to do this calmly. You're being very difficult.
Step out of the vehicle now. Step out
It
of the
don't
vehicle
take three of
now.
y'all.
Okay,
It's
well-
3 of them.
Are you gonna step out?
Yeah, but
Stop
you can
resisting.
relax.
Get out.
I can get out on my
Stop
own.
resisting. Get
I
out.
can get out on my own.
Well, you're not. So get out
Well,
now.
just back up and give me a second.
Let's go now.
You want to make it.
Instead of complying with legal orders, the suspect attempts to negotiate which officer she will deal with, refusing to cooperate with the arresting deputy. Officers open the door and physically pull her out of the vehicle as she continues to resist and argue on the roadside.
Go.
Okay, now.
I'll get out on my own.
You have to get
I
out.
can get out.
Step out now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your
Making
back.
this
You're
difficult.
under arrest.
He's making it difficult.
No,
Put your
you are
hands
too.
behind
You
your
are.
back.
They're arresting me, guys. And it's 3 of them.
Let's go. Come on.
Do you have like a specific problem
No.
with me?
I have a problem that you ran a stop sign, you're driving with a not valid license, and you're holding coffee and a phone in your hand while you're driving.
Who was
That's what I
holding
have
the
a
steering
problem.
wheel? That's a flat out
Nobody
lie.
was. I watched you. Sit down. Sit down.
I'll just sit right
Scoot
here.
back. No, get in the car. We're not playing this game. Get in the car.
Once placed in handcuffs, the suspect is escorted to the patrol vehicle where her defiance turns into complaints. She questions the officer's motives and violently resists sitting inside the squad car, forcing officers to physically secure her in the back seat.
Wait,
I asked you to make it a little bit
you
loose.
never asked me.
Oh my, when that other guy was standing there.
Well, you never asked me. Put your hands behind your back.
This was tight too.
Okay, give me a second and I can fix it.
And then I got all this other shit on my wrist. You just put it all on top of all of that.
Well, that's what happens when you fight.
Very nice.
Again.
Can you honestly say I don't have the right to be terrified of white police officers?
Yes.
Okay, so then where's the compassion?
We gave you every opportunity.
But you weren't telling me why. You
Yeah,
weren't
I
telling
did.
me
I
why.
clearly explained to you why you're being under arrest. And then you rolled up your window.
You said
So
my
how am I
license
supposed?
is suspended, which
Yes.
is complete bullshit. I've never had an encounter with the police.
Okay, well, it's
So why
suspended.
would it
It's
be
been
suspended?
suspended twice.
Oh, y'all made it!
While waiting for transport, the suspect shifts to emotional arguments, questioning officer compassion and claiming she was terrified. Officers remind her that she was given every opportunity to comply before escalating a minor traffic infraction into criminal charges.
Her or the husband is
Keith?
here?
Okay.
Yeah, it gotta be her or the husband. Your dad or your
Who was the officer that she's in the car? Was that the one who was being aggressive?
That's the one that arrested her.
Where we come get her from?
That's the one who
No, it'll be at
arrested her.
580 Wilmer Avenue. We'll give you a sheet, that sheet right there.
She said she didn't want to go with the one who arrested her because he was being overly aggressive. Like, it's okay to be
Unfortunately-
arrested, but
He wasn't being aggressive, and unfortunately, you don't get
he
to pick
said he
and
was
choose
going to
what
walk
cops
out of the
arrest.
car and he was banging on
Correct.
the window. But that's like,
That's where the
it's
car is
okay to
going.
be, like, nobody not complying. Like,
What's that?
Like, is it your mom?
Orange County
Yeah.
Jail.
I explained to her, when we ask you to step out of the vehicle,
Do you
you have to
know?
step out of the vehicle.
so, like,
The state statute says you have to get out of the vehicle.
Do you know like how long it'll take?
Then she rolled the window up and locked the doors.
It's a
because,
traffic
like,
offense. So it
Don't
shouldn't
know
take long.
because she didn't listen.
but if you tell somebody to get out of the car, isn't that for, like drugs, weed, smell, or something like that?
We knew we were going to arrest her.
Y'all knew y'all was going to arrest
Yes.
her.
And
Family members arrive at the scene and question why the suspect was pulled out of the vehicle. Officers break down the legal reality, explaining that under state law, refusing to exit a vehicle during a lawful arrest leaves law enforcement no choice but to use physical force.
It's not far.
You know, you guys did this to yourself. I would be nice, but
No, you literally did this to yourself.
I didn't. I'm talking about the fact that people have to be defensive when you pull us over. That's not what I want.
Understand, you dictate how the traffic stop goes. If you feel like, just hear me out. I didn't, no, that's not, I asked if you could get off the phone while I talked to you because you were not listening to me and you weren't answering me.
No freaking
If you feel that we did something wrong, out here is not where to debate it. You can take it to court and debate it that way.
En route to the booking facility, the suspect attempts to blame the officers for the hostile interaction. The officer correctly points out that a suspect's attitude dictates how a stop proceeds, and the side of the road is never the place to debate legal arguments. This encounter serves as a textbook example of how entitlement and non-compliance can quickly turn a minor traffic stop into a criminal record. Running a stop sign and driving on a suspended license are civil and traffic infractions, but refusing orders and locking yourself in a vehicle converts the situation into an active criminal arrest. So, what should you actually do if you find yourself in a similar situation? The side of the road is never the courtroom. If an officer initiates a stop, provide your required identification and documentation smoothly. You have the constitutional right to record police interactions, but do so quietly without interfering with their investigation or physically resisting commands. If you believe an officer broke the law or issued an improper citation, note their badge number and file a formal complaint with Internal Affairs, or let your lawyer address it in front of a judge. Roadside aggression will only upgrade a minor civil ticket into a felony criminal record. Now I want to turn this over to you. Was this a clear case of an entitled driver escalating a simple traffic stop, or could officers have handled the situation differently? Where do you draw the line between asserting your rights and disorderly behavior? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, if you found this deep dive insightful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more detailed breakdowns of real-world legal and law enforcement encounters. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.